Today's featured car of the day is a 1963 Pontiac Catalina Safari Wagon. And I'll read from the seller's statement at the auction. And the seller stated, a mileage 78,300 original miles, originally purchased from Harry Mayer Pontiac in North Hollywood, California on May 13, 1963. Resided most of its life in Burbank, California, 1963 through 2003, and in Orange, California, 2003 to present. I purchased the car from the original owner's family in 2003 with 66,265 miles on the odometer. I am the second owner of this well-maintained family station wagon. The vehicle is pretty much original except for the maintenance items and accessory items that I have added. I have the original purchase paperwork, the original user's manual, and sales brochure. Basic equipment: factory power brakes, steering, trailer hitch, 389 cubic inch low compression V8 with 2-barrel carburation, automatic transmission, fresh custom repaint in the original factory color of Yorktown blue metallic, clear coat. Original accessories: decor group, original tricolor vinyl upholstery, deluxe front seat padding and color keyed carpet, and Ventura clear steering wheel with horn rim. And it sold for $24,400 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a good looking car, definitely. A good color for it. And the tritone interior on the Pontiacs is really nice from the 60s. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1963 Pontiac Catalina Safari station wagon with 78,300 original miles, two-owner, spent its whole life in Southern California, and it sold for $24,400 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.